Hi, I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring, and welcome back to another episode of The Floor Whisperer. Today, we're tackling a project that came to us through a trusted general contractor referral partner. This home originally suffered water damage, and after that, a new, unfinished, engineered hardwood floor was glued down. Unfortunately, the previous flooring company applied 5 coats of polyurethane when the National Wood Flooring Association guidelines call for only 2. So it was critical to get this job done right. Upon inspection, we discovered some boards had wormholes that needed to be replaced. To repair this, we carefully removed the defective planks, cleaned off the old adhesive, and installed the new unfinished planks. For extra strength and seamless fit, we applied adhesive not only to the bottom of the planks, but also to the tongue and groove connection for added strength. Once the prep work was complete, sanding began.